Hey everybody, it's Beth. I started with these long dowels that I got from Hobby Lobby. I ended up needing 3 of them. I took them and cut them down. The first piece is about 9 3/4 inches. The rest I did not measure. I just made them each a little bit smaller than the last one. And I'm using miter shears to cut the wooden pieces. And I just keep this process going, making the next one shorter than the previous one, all the way up until I have a really small piece about 1 inch long. And these wooden dowels from Hobby Lobby are 3/8 inch and they're 36 inches long. After I have them all cut, I go ahead and sand all of the ends on them. Now you can paint them ahead of time. You'll just have to touch up the ends where you are cutting each of the pieces. But I just set them all against each other and painted them with moss color chalk paint by Waverly, giving them 2 coats. Next, I'm taking this wooden piece from Dollar Tree and painting it with Cottage white chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. I also use the same chalk paint to paint this star-shaped cookie cutter that I had, and I'm covering the outside as well as the inside of that, and both of those just got full coverage. After the star was fully painted, I took this extreme glitter in the color hologram and painted the outside of the star with that. I then sanded around the wooden piece just to give it a bit of distressing. Next, I am taking the wooden piece and putting some hot glue across that, and then at an angle placing down the largest piece of wood, and then kind of making an X with the next size down, putting a dot of hot glue on the bottom one, and then I just repeat this process all the way up until I have the smallest one on. Just kind of crisscrossing them as I go. And then after I have the last piece glued on the top, I hot glue the star to that top piece. And then I just go in with my heating tool to get rid of any hot glue strings. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.